Chief just walked by. He doesn't seem concerned.